మగవారి పట్ల చాలా జాగ్రత్తగా ఉండాలంటూ విజయవాడలో హత్యకు గురైన దివ్య తేజస్విని ఇన్స్టాలో షేర్ చేసిన ఒక వీడియో ఇప్పుడు బయటకొచ్చింది. నాగేంద్ర పేరు నేరుగా ప్రస్తావించినప్పటికీ పరోక్షంగా అతనిపై విరుచుకుపడింది. తాను జీవితంలో చాలా చేదు అనుభవాన్ని ఎదుర్కొన్నట్లు, 2 ఏళ్ల క్రితం ఒక రిలేషన్లో ఉన్నానని, కానీ అది నరకమని ఆ తర్వాత తెలిసొచ్చిందని దివ్య చెప్పింది. తన తల్లిదండ్రుల సహాయంతో తాను ఆ ఊబి నుండి బయటపడినట్లు, అయినా ఇంకా ఆ వ్యక్తి తనను వేధిస్తున్నట్లు ఆవేదన వ్యక్తం చేసింది. నాగేంద్రకు ఎవరో తన స్నేహితులే సహాయపడుతున్నారన్న అనుమానం వ్యక్తం చేసింది. అతను ఒక సైకో అని, అమ్మాయిలందరూ ఇలాంటి వ్యక్తుల నుండి దూరంగా ఉండాలని సలహా ఇచ్చింది.
From starting off this quarantine, I have been getting the threatened calls and threatened messages from the person, and I also want to clear this aspect from my side. I was in a relationship actually, few years ago, like 2.5 years I have been in a relation, and I was like in a cloud nine, as everyone knows that when they are in a relation definitely they'll do so, and I was in a state too. And guys, I didn't even know that this is the person who is having this much of villainism and he's a psychopath. Really, I didn't even expected that. After few reasons, after completing of that 2.5 years, I plan to choose my own career and my own path. And there I have started facing this kind of shits in my life. That was really hard for me to take all this because I don't deserve this kind of things. So I want to stand for myself, and I also want to educate every female in my account, because people won't be the same until the end. They definitely have to show their masks at one point of time. And my family also knew that. I also said to them that this is what happening, that this is what happening in my life present, and they educated me. And they are my family stood for me, and they also helped me to realize what I am doing. So with their help, I crossed that hell. I thought that that is the end, because my family also talked with them, and my family gave a clear sentence that my daughter is not going to that hell. Why can't I file a complaint? Because as you all know that I am a female and I'm having insecurities. I was thinking about my family, what will happen to them, like that. Yeah, definitely, if this situation is going too hard, definitely I'll file a complaint against him. Coming to this incident, people see, he's giving a threatening messages and threatening calls for me. I don't know what he wanted from my side. And the bad thing is that my friend, some like, I don't want to mention name, he or she is helping him. I don't know what the hell he or she wants from my side, because I see that female is facing this kind of hell, and how could she help him? Because if she is in my stage, she definitely understand how much hell I'm going through. People, so I want to say to every female that you are really believing this kind of psychopaths in your life, please stay away from them. At first they'll be very smooth, and they'll be like a butter, like a makkan. After, when they are revealing their mask, you definitely come to know that they are really psychopaths in your life, definitely. So coming to my situation, he has targeted few members because he is having only those contacts. I don't know how he got them. He said that I collected those with help of someone. I don't know who is that someone. And he did what he want, and yet there is no response from my side, because I left like I don't want to go through that shit again and again. And after that, crossing that path,